Children, this is English session. In the English session, we are learning alphabet. Okay, today we are going to learn what we are going to learn. 4 letters we are going to learn in this week. They are H, I, J, K. Okay, before going to the session, we will revise what we have learned in the last sessions. Okay, children, shall I show you? See here. What is this? This is the first letter in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. These letters we have learnt already in the last sessions. Okay. Before going to the session, we will revise strokes or lines. See here. This is standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left curve, right curve, circle, zigzag lines. Okay. Now what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the letter H. Okay. See here children. What is this? This is hut. What is the first letter of the hut children? What is the first letter? H. Okay. So, what is this? This is capital letter H. Hut. H says hut. H for hut. Okay. Now, I will tell you how to write the letter H, related pictures of the H, and what is the sound of the H. Ready children? See here. See in the textbook. Okay. See. H for hut, H for hat, H for hen, H for horse, H for heart, H for helicopter. Shall we read again? Okay. H for hut, H for hat, H for hen, H for horse, H for helicopter, H for heart. Now what is the sound of H children? What is the sound? Ha, ha, ha. Say all of you children. Look here. Ha. H says ha. H is for hat. Ha, ha, hat. H is for hat. Ha, ha, hat. H is for hen. Ha, ha, hen. H is for horse. Ha, ha, horse. H is for heart, ha, ha, heart. H is for helicopter, ha, ha, helicopter. H is for hat, ha, ha, hat, ha. Okay. H is for hat, ha, ha, hat. H is for hen, ha, ha, hen. H is for horse, ha, ha, horse. H is for heart, ha, ha, heart. H is for helicopter, ha, ha, helicopter. Okay children, now I will show you how to write the letter H. Okay, look at the word. See, what is this? This is hut. Okay, hut. H for hut. So, this is very easy children, how to write the H. See, here standing line is there no? So, we have to take this hand. Standing line, see, standing line and one more standing line joining with sleeping line. That's all. What we need for H children? What we need? Only 2 standing lines, 1 sleeping line. Okay. See, now I will show you how to write on the lines. See, from red line to blue line, write a standing line, right standing line, and give some gap and write one more standing line. In the middle, write a sleeping line like this to join 2 standing lines. That's all children, very easy no? See, standing line, first red line to blue line, draw a standing line like this and draw one more standing line, red line to blue line. In the middle, make a sleeping line like this to join two standing lines. That's all. What is this letter? This is capital H. Okay. See, standing line, one more standing line, sleeping line joining with two standing lines. What is this? This is capital H. Okay. See, from red line to blue line, standing line, leave some gap and write one more standing line. In the middle, draw a sleeping line to join two standing lines, H. See, standing line, sleeping line, that's all. Standing line, sleeping line. What is this letter, children? This is H. What is the sound of H, children? Ha, ha, H. Okay. H for hut. H for hut. H says ha. How to write the H letter, children? Standing line and standing line joining with sleeping line. That's all. Shall we? Children, what is this? Yes, we like very much this now. What is it? This is ice cream. Okay. So, this is ice cream. This is the letter, capital letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now I will show you some more pictures in the textbook. Okay, see here children. Look into the book. I for ink. I for ice cube. I for insect. I for igloo. I for island. I for ice cream. Okay, one more time. I for ink. I for ice cube. I for insect. I for igloo. I for island. I for ice cream. Now I will tell you the sound of the letter I. What is the sound of the letter I, children? E. What is the sound? E. E. Okay. I is for E. I is for ink. Ink. I is for insect. Insect. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for ink. Ink. I is for insect. Insect. I is for igloo. Igloo. Now I will show you how to write the letter I on the lines. Okay, children? Look at the board. What is this? This is ice cream. I for ice cream. So I is very easy to write, children. We need to write I, one standing line, two sleeping lines. That's all. See here. First, we should write standing line. Go to top and write small sleeping line, and in the bottom write one more small sleeping line. That's all. Okay. See here, children. From red line to blue line, write a standing line like this. Go to top, from here to here, write a sleeping line, and in the bottom write one more sleeping line like this. Okay, what is this? This is the capital letter I. Okay, write standing line from red line to blue line. Go to top, write small sleeping line, and here write one more small sleeping line. So what is this? This is capital letter I. Okay, write standing line, sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. That's all. Shall we write here also? Okay, children? See. Standing line from red line to blue line. Go to top. Here, make a small sleeping line like this on the red line. And come to bottom. Here, make a small sleeping line on the blue line. Okay, like this. Okay. What is this? This is capital letter I. Okay. Right. Standing line, small sleeping line, and one more small sleeping line. I, capital I. Again, here, small standing line, sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. That's all. Okay. See, what is this? This is capital H. H for hut. This is capital I. I for ice cream. Okay, children. Now we will learn capital letter J. Okay, children. What is this? This is jug. What? This is capital letter J. J for jug. J for jug. What is the sound of J, children? J. J. What is the sound of J? J. Now I will show you some pictures in the book for the letter J. Okay. J for jug. J for joker. J for juice. J for John. J for jeans. J for jeep. Let's read once again. Jug. J for jug. J for joker. J for juice. J for John. J for jeans. J for jeep. So what is the sound of J? What is the sound of J? Children, J. J. Okay, now I will tell you the sound of the letter J. J is for jug. J, J, jug. J is for joker. J, J, joker. J is for juice. J, J, juice. J is for jam. J, J, jam. J is for jeans. J, J, jeans. J is for jeep. J, J, jeep. What is the sound of J? J, J. Okay, children, now I will show you how to write the letter J on the lines. Okay. For the letter J, we have used two lines, children. One is sleeping line, another one is standing line, and with the hook. Okay. This is standing line and sleeping line we have used for the letter Z. Okay, see here. First, we should write standing line with the left hook. What is this? This is left hook. Go to top and write small sleeping line on the top like this. Okay, standing line with hook and sleeping line. That's all. What is that? That is capital letter J. Now I will show you how to write on the lines. See, from the red line to blue line, write a standing line. Here, without lifting the hand, make left hook like this. Go to top, write sleeping line on the red line like this. Okay, what is this? This is capital letter J. J says ja. Ja. Okay, jug. See, standing line with left hook, sleeping line J. Standing line with left hook, sleeping line. What is this? This is J. Okay, see here. I am writing here once again. See, write standing line from red line to blue line without lifting the hand. Make a left hook. Go to top and write a sleeping line on the red line. That's all. What is this? This is capital letter J. Standing line with left hook, sleeping line. Standing line with left hook, sleeping line. So, what is this, children? This is letter J. J for jug. J says j. J. Okay. Now, shall we move to letter K? Shall we learn, children? Okay. What is this? Kite. What is this? This is kite. K for kite. What is this letter? This is capital letter K. For this capital letter, we have used standing line. Where is standing line? Here. Standing line. And this is a right curve and a left curve. See, children, now I will tell you the capital letter K. See, what is this? This is kite. What is this letter? K. K for kite. K for kite. What is the sound of K, children? K. K. Okay, now I will show you some pictures in the textbook and what is the sound of the K. Okay, children, how to write the K on the lines also I will teach you. Okay, look into the book, children. K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for kiwi. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for kiwi. K for kettle. K for kangaroo. What is the sound of K, children? K. K. Okay. K is for kite. K. K. Kite. K is for key. K. K. Key. K is for king. K. K. King. K is for kiwi. K. K. Kiwi. K is for kettle. K. K. Kettle. K is for kangaroo. K. K. Kangaroo. K is for kite. K. K. Kite. K is for key. K. K. Key. K is for king. K. K. King. K is for kiwi. K. K. Kiwi. K is for kettle. K. K. Kettle. K is for kangaroo. K. K. Kangaroo. What is the sound of K, children? K. K. Okay. To write the K, we need 3 lines, children. One is standing line and 2 slanting lines. So how many lines we need? 3 lines. One is standing line and 2 slanting lines. First, we should write standing line like this. Okay. After that, this is right slanting line and this is left slanting line. So how many lines we need? 3 lines we need. Okay. Standing line, slanting line and one more slanting line. So now I will show you how to write on the lines. Okay. From red line to blue line, write a standing line. From here, make a right slanting line. From here, write left slanting line like this. Okay. See, from red line to blue line, write standing line. This is right slanting line and this is left slanting line. So, okay, what is this? This is letter K. Standing line, right slanting line, left slanting line. That's all. Very easy, no? From red line to blue line, make a standing line, draw a standing line. From red line to first blue line, make a right slanting line like this. From blue line to this blue line, make a left slanting line like this. Okay, what is this? This is letter K. Standing line, right slanting line and left slanting line. Standing line, right slanting line and left slanting line. So what is this? This is capital letter K. Now what we have learned, children, in this class? We have learned 4 capital letters. What are the, children? What are the? H. Okay. H, I, J, K. Okay. So we have learned 4 letters. Now in this book, children, see page numbers. Where is H? Here H is there, no? Here H is there. This page and H for I, this page J this page, and K for K this page. Please write on the dots and make the letters. Okay, children? With parents, please guide the children to write letters H-I-J-K in this book. Okay, parents? Thank you, parents. Bye, children.